So I've had this FlexWell massage gun for a few weeks now, and I genuinely almost use it every day, which I did not expect to say about a massage gun at this price point. This was sent over from the brand for a video. Comes with 40 attachment heads and 9 different modes with 9 intensity levels, which sounds like a lot and kind of is, but you find your 2 or 3 go-to settings pretty fast and stick with those. I use it mostly on my back and shoulders after sitting at a desk all day, and it actually does the job. Like, I feel a difference after a few minutes on a sore spot. It's not exactly loud, it's not silent, but it's way quieter than older massage guns I've used. You can have a conversation or watch TV while using it without having to shout over it. So that matters more than people realize. The 40 heads is the headline feature, and honestly, most of them are pretty specific uses like glutes, larger muscle groups, precision spots. If you work out or have chronic tightness anywhere, you'll actually find a use for more of them than you think. The battery life is pretty solid. I've gone almost a week of daily use before needing to change it. It's not going to be something you're going to be hunting for the cable every other day. It's portable, it fits in a bag, and the build feels sturdy. It's not cheap plasticky. For home use, office use, post-gym recovery, it covers all of it without being bulky about it. So if you've been on the fence about getting a massage gun, this one's a solid entry point. Nothing to overthink here. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below and hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.